What even is liquidation? The Oxford Dictionary defines it as the killing of someone, typically by violence. Oh, no, wrong definition. It means the process of liquidating a business. Of course, that's not helpful, but 1.1 says it's the conversion of assets into cash. So yeah, basically liquidation generally refers to the process of selling off a company's inventory, typically at a big discount, to generate cash. More often than not, the products you'll find on a liquidation pallet will either be damaged, missing parts, or just a product that wasn't selling well. These pallets are usually purchased in bulk by companies to be sold online or at a physical warehouse to be sold to people like you or me. I decided to go check out a place local to me that has a bunch of new pallets each and every week. The day I visited, they had just received a bunch of new pallets from places like Home Depot, Lowe's, and Kohl's, and they even had a few from Walmart, which was good for me because I was just going more for fun, not necessarily looking to flip and make money, because that is what a lot of people do with liquidation pallets. I spotted a Walmart pallet in the back that actually had a few of these Arcade1Up cabinets, in addition to some other random things, but I was really interested in this pallet simply because, one, I could see everything on it, so I know what I'm getting, and two, I didn't care if they worked since I could put a Raspberry Pi into them and do something custom. Either way, I counted 3 already assembled cabinets and one that was maybe brand new in box. They wanted $425 for this entire pallet. And when you purchase a pallet, you're basically saying, okay, I don't care if everything is broken and literally worthless, I'm going to pay this and just kind of roll the dice. Now, just doing some quick math in my head, I was like, okay, these are usually anywhere from 200 to 300 brand new. And just kind of looking on my phone real quick, I was like, you know what? 4 cabinets, they want $425. I should be able to work them down a little bit, and hopefully at least 1 or 2 of these are actually functional. Being the master negotiator that I am, I was able to get the pallet for $355. Now, after getting a forklift to put the pallet on my truck, I drove home to test out each one of the cabinets to see if they worked. All right, so I just plugged in the first one, and guess what? It works. It's missing knobs, but it works. Well, I guess, would you call those knobs or would you just call them bowls? Balls. Come on, baby. Hello? All right, next one. Heard something. Come on, baby. Hello, let's go. All right. When it finally turns on.
Me when I have to wake up to my alarm.
Okay, so after my initial testing, Final Fight needs a new deck overlay, and then it needs these bat topper, and then it does have this little imperfection here at the bottom. Aside from that though, it does start and it works, so that's good. Same with this one, starts, it works. There's really nothing wrong with it. Pac-Man is the only one that does not start, and the deck overlay is cracked, but apparently when this first shipped out, the 2018 edition did not have a deck overlay. What happened was people were having their hands here and it was kind of like fading away the graphics, so they started to include deck overlays. I know on the body somewhere there's a little bit of a chip from the strap that they had put on, and it's also a little wobbly. Good. Overall, not bad. So out of the 3 already assembled, Pac-Man was the only one that did not work. And as far as condition, Pac-Man also had the most cosmetic issues, although they were really minor in the grand scheme of things. Final Fight was almost perfect, meanwhile Mortal Kombat was basically in mint condition, minus the missing bat tops. Okay, the Rampage cabinet, what's going on, right? I mean, it's in the box, but the box kind of looks like it went through a paper shredder, so I'm not really sure what to expect, but deep down I thought, you know what? Maybe something happened to the box and they said, we can't sell this, let's just put it in liquidation, and maybe inside of this box is a brand new Arcade1Up Rampage cabinet. Moment of truth. Let's find out. We interrupt your programming for a quick word from today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by the data recovery software, Recover It. With Recover It, you can recover all sorts of file types, including photo, video, audio, emails, documents, and much more. Even if your computer crashes, Recover It has your back, regardless of your operating system. Simply select a recovery mode, scan and preview the files, then get your files back by clicking recover. The free version allows you to recover data up to 100 megabytes. Learn more by clicking the link in the description. Thanks Recover It for sponsoring this video. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but that's a 6-foot nutcracker. No, honestly, this is how it looked when I brought it out of the box. Looks brand new to me. Here are the boxes. Instructions, I mean, still, you know, wrapped up. Yay! All right, so I'm almost done building it. I just wanted to give you guys a look at kind of how simple it really is. Just a few pieces of MDF, you know, little slots and slits, whatever you want to call them. A couple of screws, things slide right in, and that's basically it. Screen, got the ribbon cable, goes into the deck, and just a couple more pieces and this thing will be completely done. All right, baby, she's completed. Got her plugged in. First boot. I'm just kidding. All right. So yeah, this pallet has actually turned out to be really valuable. For $355, I have 4 working cabinets, although minor little cosmetic issues. One of them is completely brand new and one of them is basically in mint condition. But you might be wondering about the rest of the pallet, and let me just say it's basically garbage. There's a trailer hitch, TV stand, and office desk that are all missing pieces and damaged, which is fine because I didn't buy the pallet for them, but it just goes to show you what you should expect since these are actual Walmart returns. Like, people actually bought it, messed up, found missing pieces, did whatever to it, and said, hey, I'm gonna return this to Walmart. And so then you buy it and you're like, what the fuck is this? Okay, so for the cabinets, I kind of always thought that I would just sell all 4 of them if I could. And since only Rampage is in perfect condition, still with the sticker on it, I decided to list that on Facebook and Craigslist for a very reasonable price. And I was very open to offers. Sadly, no one actually hit me up, and I'm kind of bummed because I listed it right before Christmas in hopes that someone would be like, yeah, let's get little Timmy a freaking arcade machine. How freaking rad would that be? Well, no, every parent that lives local to me is obviously a terrible parent. It's okay though, because it's Rampage and not a lot of people are familiar with that game. So I actually have replacement parts coming in for the 3 other cabinets. That includes all the things like bat wings, deck overlays, panels, as well as a brand new screen for Pac-Man, because that's the part that's broken. So that's where the question comes in. What should I do once I get those parts in? Do you guys want an update video? What do you guys think I should actually do with these? And if you had to pick one to keep for yourself, which one would you pick? As far as for me, I personally was hoping for Star Wars or TMNT, but these were the ones I got, and I'm not super crazy for them. So I don't know what I'll do, but maybe I'll keep Mortal Kombat. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Anyways, that was my adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed, and Happy New Year. 2020 is upon us. Big things are happening to Swashin. New content is definitely coming out very soon. I'm actually going to Vegas for CES, so I'll be posting videos to this channel about that, but I'll also be posting a lot to my Snapchat and Instagram while I'm there, so links to that down below. And yeah, I'm also moving to a new house once I get back, so I'll be doing a new setup. So we'll be getting Pimp Matt's setup, just no more Pimp My setup. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget, I'm Matt Philly and you're not. Get out of my face. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop.